Alright, we're going to be doing a trade recap on this trade we took on NQ this morning, called out live in the free Discord. And if you guys want to join the free Discord, it's going to be in the link in the description. So yeah, let's get into this trade. So basically, going into the day, we were really bullish to start the day. From 9:30, we just pumped up higher. And with all that movement higher, we were taking out all these highs. We took out this London high, Asian high, these New York highs, and we just continued higher. And I was mapping out all the 15-minute and the 5-minute imbalances to see what price would give. You know, I was mapping out these coming up higher, and then we created this imbalance, this 5-minute imbalance, and we started to get reaction from it. We started to displace into it. The first red candle of this whole session. So as we started to displace from it, at this point in price, we were pretty close to this New York high here. Where is it? Right here. We're pretty close to this New York high right here. So I'm like, it's a pretty solid draw on liquidity. So basically, I want to see what we do. And then I want to see how we react off this 5-minute imbalance right here. And two scenarios here. Either we go into this 5-minute imbalance, past it, close below, and we start seeing lower prices, you know, taking a short down to maybe some 15-minute imbalance. Or we see, in today's case, we displace from this 5-minute gap and get an entry targeting that high. So two reasons why I wanted to see high prices: because of ES. ES was the weaker pair, NQ was stronger. And I think at that 5-minute gap, we were like around here. As you can see, we were at the 62 level, close to the 75. So if we were going to reject the 5-minute imbalance on NQ, if we were going to respect the 5-minute imbalance on NQ, we were more than likely going to displace higher into 75. So pretty much from seeing that and seeing how price held it, as you can see here, came up into it, displaced from it, I wanted to enter off of a close above this high. If you want to learn more about this, if you want, you can join the Discord. I can break it down in depth. But basically, I wanted to see a close above these body Lee highs. And as you can see, we tapped the 5-minute imbalance here. We created a 2-minute bearish fair value gap right here. As you can see, price taps the 5-minute, holds respect of it, and bullishly closes above. You could have entered here. Not a horrible entry, but for me personally, I wanted to see a close above these highs. And we pumped up higher. We got the close above. I entered longs here. Boom. And went long here, targeting the New York high. And price did go down a little bit. It came down into this 3-minute imbalance. I don't know if you can see, but there's a small 3-minute imbalance. You see price came down, tapped it, and just pumped up higher from that. So it was pretty clean trade. Called out live in the Discord. As you can see, this was like the model I was trying to show, and then you can see we entered off of it, played out nicely, clean and easy trade. So yeah, this was basically the trade. As you see, the same time we took the high, we were also like within 75, as you can see here. I think we took it like around here. And yeah, that's pretty much the trade recap on this trade. I feel like I'm forgetting something, not sure. But yeah, pretty clean trade here on NQ this morning. If you guys are interested in joining the free Discord, there's live call outs, signals, one-on-one help. You can ask questions. And yeah, that's pretty much it on this trade recap.